Hello friends, welcome to Global Studio YouTube channel. In this video we will focus on Microsoft Excel and we will learn how we can type serial number from 1 to 100 in different methods. So without any delay, let's jump into the video. So in this video I am going to teach you 5 different methods. The first method is very basic. I think everybody knows this trick. Type 1 in a first row and in second row type 2 and then select these two cells. As you can see guys, here there is one small dot in this right corner. When it is showing plus, just click and hold the right mouse button and then drag down all the way down like this. So now you can able to see the serial number from 1 to 14. This is the first method, and in the second method we will use the fill option. Type 1 in the first row and then select this cell and then select this home tab and then go to this fill option and then select this series. Select the column option, give this start value as 1 and this top value as 100. If you need 100 serial numbers, then you can give 100. The reason because we selected the column because we need this value in columns, and then click OK. As you can see guys, here you can able to see the serial number 1 to 100, and also you can fill this serial number using keyboard shortcut. Select this cell and then type Alt H. After that, as you can see here, Fi. Type Fi and then it is showing yes for series. Type yes. As you can see, the same option we got. This is a keyboard shortcut. Select the column again and then select the stop value and then click OK. If you delete any of these rows, then it will not automatically reorder the numbers. Then the continuity of this serial number will break. To avoid this problem, we can use one more formula. First type 1 here in the first cell and then come to the second row and type equal to, select this first row and then plus 1. Again select equal to, select the second row and then plus 1. We can keep on adding plus 1 for the previous value. Then select the second and third row. Don't select the first row. If you are selecting the first row, then the number will repeat. I will show you how it is. Select it from the first row and then drag it down. As you can see, 1 2 3 2 3 4 3 4 5, the serial numbers are repeating again and again. To avoid that problem, you have to avoid the first row. Just select the second and third row and then drag it down. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, there is a continuity, right? And now if I try to delete any of this row, we can easily reorder the number. I will delete now. As you can see, it is asking for reference. Just delete the text #reference and then give the reference as a previous row and then press enter. As you can see, all the numbers are reordered. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 like that. But in this trick, you have to correct the order manually. There is one more trick. Using that trick, you can avoid manual reordering. Just type equal to and type row and then close it using round bracket and then click enter. Select this first row and then drag it down. As you can see, now we can able to see the serial number in order 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 like that. And now if you try to delete any of this row, as you can see, it is reordering the number by itself. So using this simple formula, you can save lot of time in your work. So until now we learned total 5 tricks, and that's all guys for this video. If you guys like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll meet again in the next video with new tips and tricks. Bye bye.